What is Gemini? Think of Gemini as Google's version of ChatGPT. It's a brilliant AI helper that lives right on your phone to help you with everyday tasks, writing, or just chatting. Want to try out Gemini AI on your iPhone, but realized you don't actually have the app installed? If you use a Samsung or another Android phone, you probably already have it built in. But on an iPhone, you need to install it. Just follow me. Open up the App Store, search for Google Gemini, and tap Install. Now, because this is my brand new iPhone 17, I hadn't signed into any Google accounts yet, and of course, it kept telling me I had the wrong password. Don't you just hate when that happens? Pro tip: I always write down my accounts and passwords in an actual paper notebook and keep it safe. After checking my notes, I figured it out after a few tries. If you already use YouTube or Gmail on your device, signing in is a breeze. But since my phone is brand new, I had to type in my Gmail and password. I also have two-step verification turned on for extra security, so I did a quick email and phone verification to get in. Once you're in, Gemini will ask for permission to use your microphone. Tap Allow if you want to talk to it. I gave it a quick "Hello, Gemini"
Hello there. It's wonderful to hear from you. How can I help you out today?
testing.
Got it. Everything is working perfectly on my end. Feel free to let me know if there's anything you'd like to chat about or try out.
And it worked perfectly. You might already be using ChatGPT, but it is so nice to have Gemini too. It's like having two very smart friends living right inside your phone. Hit follow for more real, simple tech tips. I will show you how to make a beautiful song with Gemini on your phone next. Follow and subscribe Nana's Easy AI. Thank you for watching and God bless.